Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming materials and positioning. This is where precision matters. Clean surfaces with alcohol and let them fully dry. Measure and mark the wallet outline, then cut leather or silicone slightly larger than your Magsafe ring. Once done, sand the contact area lightly to improve adhesion and test fit the Magsafe ring without glue to verify center alignment. You'll want a snug fit for cards. Make sure the ring won't overlap seams or edges before committing to adhesive. You apply adhesive to both the Magsafe ring and the wallet backing. Use a thin, even layer to prevent squeeze-out and maintain flatness. Place the foam layer for card spacing, then align and press the Magsafe ring to the center mark, ensuring polarity orientation won't flip cards. Once placed, clamp gently with even pressure and wipe any excess adhesive immediately. Make sure to let it cure 24 hours for full strength. Meanwhile, check edges and trim excess material carefully after partial set. You complete the wallet by finishing edges cleanly. Burnish leather or glue and trim silicone so seams sit flush. Once cured, test by attaching an iPhone and check magnetic hold and wireless charging alignment. Adjust fit if cards block contact. If the magnet feels weak or misaligns, reevaluate adhesive coverage and ring placement, confirm polarity, and consider replacing the foam spacer with a thinner or thicker layer to optimize distance. Finally, inspect for adhesive leaks and remove with isopropyl if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.